Oh, hey, bonus feature time. I started cleaning this and I thought, why not make a bonus video out of this? Show you how I clean this up and put it together, because the next video is we'll shoot it at the range. All right, anyhow, so I started cleaning this quite a while ago, as you can tell. Here's all the cleaning stuff from the bore. You can see just how dirty it was when I got it, and it's getting pretty clean. So, I mean, there's different stuff you can use. I just happened to have brought out, well, I used some foaming bore cleaner. That worked out pretty well. I like it better for pistols, but that worked out well. I'm using the Outers nitro solvent, but I mean, you could use hoppies, you can do anything. So with the rod that came with it, which is kind of cool, and the cleaning tool, is that in the camera? All I've been doing is taking some patches. You can use t-shirts too, you don't have to buy the patches at all. And just been sending it through. Close that up, I don't want to spill it. And then the nice thing about a bolt action rifle, whether it's put together or not, you just send it right through the breech. And it comes out the other side. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So you can see it's still got a little green tinge to it, but it's better. It's not better. You know, we're going to be firing this pretty soon, so it's not a high priority. Here's something that's interesting. Now, this is for firearms and other sport equipment like rods and reels, or reels specifically. It's rust preventive stuff. That's the way it used to come. Now you can just buy it this way. Yeah, this happens to be Remington. It's with Teflon lubricant. You know, it's not bad. I use it a lot. Everything comes on wipes these days. So since when we put it all together, this barrel is basically going to disappear. I just want to lube it all up a little bit so that prevents it from getting rust. Obviously, you don't want to keep your firearm anywhere where there's high humidity or moisture, because that's going to cause it to rust also. So there's that. You can see it cleaned it up a little bit more. Not too bad. Let me get another kind of wipe to wipe my hands off, because I don't want to get all that preventative oil all over everything. All right, so let's put this together. You can see the stock, it's been cleaned. It also has a protective coating on it, but we'll get rid of this stuff. We don't need this anymore. All right, we'll move the bore cleaner over, move that over. All right, so what you're gonna do is, can you hear Shiloh? He loves to howl at the police and fire and the ambulance. So all that does is snap in like so. This is gonna drop in like that, gets flipped over. I think I always get these backwards. I know, I shouldn't. I should know better. No, that's right. So, small one. No, I had it right the first time. In it goes the tool that came with it. This just shows you how simple this rifle is. I mean, obviously it is a bolt action and you don't have a lot of need for springs and slides. There's that one. Flip it over. You can see there's another one right here. This one pops in there. screwed in. All right, like I said, this barrel is going to basically disappear. That's nice and tight. So here's the barrel. That's there. All right. So like I said, this barrel is going to basically disappear because you've got the top piece that goes on. Okay. Now, this just sits on top here, and then you've got to find the larger of the two rings. Put that around. This is a pain every time I do this, because for some reason I can flip it over. I don't know why. All right, so now there's also a connection. You can see that that's where it's crimped together. That stays on the top. Now, can you see this? Let's move this up a little bit. All right, so this is going to come down and just snap in like so. The way it's supposed to. This snaps in like so, and it's totally covered. You can see how the barrel's totally covered except for the end. Now, if everything is right in the world, I'll just pull the trigger back, drop the bolt in. Moves much nicer than it did before. Obviously you can see there's no bullet in there. It's good. Trigger pull is not bad. So, and then you've got the cleaning rod, all right, which the cleaning tip comes off, slides underneath, secures in, so you can see how that is right there. And of course there's the very cool bayonet that then attaches to the end. All right, really cool little spring device here. And there it is. There's your Mosin, all put back together, all ready to shoot. All right, pretty cool. Take the bayonet off, you just press this button, turn it, and it comes right off. Unfortunately, you would have hoped that you could turn it around and secure it somehow, but it doesn't do that. So that's it. It's a really quick video showing you putting this all together. Excited to go shoot it. Truly am. And we'll see you at the range. Bye.